In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a table of contents in WordPress. If you've ever struggled with organizing long posts or making your content easier for visitors to navigate, a table of contents is a fantastic solution. It allows your readers to jump directly to the sections they care about, creating a smoother user experience and keeping them engaged longer. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of adding a table of contents to your WordPress website. It's quick, simple, and highly effective. And if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up using the link in the description below to get started. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner. You'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Type in your email address and password associated with your WordPress account. Alternatively, if you've connected a Google account to WordPress, you can click Continue with Google instead. If you choose this option, simply select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress account, and you'll be logged in automatically. Once you're logged in, look over to the right-hand panel of your dashboard. You'll notice a section called Quick Links. Under this section, there's an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that, and it will take you to your site editor. Now that you're in the site editor, let's move on to adding the table of contents. Look toward the top left corner of the editor. You'll see an Add button, which is represented by a plus sign. Click on this button, and a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type Table of Contents. WordPress will display a list of blocks related to your search. From these options, click on the Table of Contents block. This is the pre-designed block that WordPress offers, specifically for creating an automatic table of contents on your page or post. Once you've selected it, the Table of Contents block will be added to your content. You should see it appear within your site editor. The great thing about this block is that it automatically generates a list based on the headings you've already used in your post. For example, if your content has headings like Introduction, Step 1, or Conclusion, the block will pull these headings and organize them into a clickable list. This feature is incredibly helpful because it allows your visitors to navigate directly to the part of your content they're most interested in, improving their overall experience on your site. Plus, it encourages them to spend more time engaging with your content, which can ultimately benefit your site's performance. And that's it. You've successfully added a table of contents to your WordPress site. This simple addition can make a big difference in how your content is structured and how your readers interact with it. If you have any questions about this process or want to share how you're using a table of contents on your site, feel free to leave a comment below. So now you know exactly how to create and customize a table of contents in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.